Today we'll be making a face mask from recycled materials. You can use an old t-shirt, old pants, anything that you have lying around the house. Materials for this will be paper, pen, pencil or marker, scissors, a ruler, tape or pins, that recycled piece of clothing, and a cup or cylindrical object. First, you'll be folding your paper in half horizontally. Next, you're going to take your cup or cylindrical object and place it on the edge of the paper. Using your pencil/marker, trace the edges to make a curve on one end of the paper. Fold the paper in half again. Take your scissors and cut along your curved line. It should look something like this. Grab your ruler and measure 1 inch from the curved side. At the 1 inch mark, draw an oval on each side. Fold the paper in half lengthwise or horizontally. Now that your mask pattern is ready, grab your t-shirt, lay it on a flat surface, and make sure there are no wrinkles. Unfold and place your paper mask pattern on top of your t-shirt and tape or pin it on. Trace the outline of the pattern onto the fabric, and then remove the pattern. Take your scissors and follow the lines you just traced. Cut out the shape of the mask from your t-shirt. Cut out the oval shapes. These holes will be for your ears. Now that we know how to make a face mask, next you're going to learn how to customize this mask with the next Green It lesson, DIY relief printing.